welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful fall inspired eyeshadow look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. For this makeup look, we're going to be using the Burgundy Palette Kyshadow by Kylie Cosmetics. For the first color, we're going to be using this beautiful soft brown, kind of like cream colored right here, called Beach. And we're going to be using a medium-sized fluffy brush to apply this all over the crease of our eyes. Just wanted to say welcome back again to my channel. Please do not hesitate to comment down below any questions you may have on the product, on how to apply the eyeshadow, or just even suggestions that you might have on videos that you'd like to see or products that you'd like me to review or try out. So yeah, please do not hesitate and I'll make sure to respond down below. For the second step, we're going to be using this beautiful soft brown color right here called Almond. And we're going to be applying it with a small rounded fluffy brush onto the outer corner, outer V of our eyelids. Here you see me using the back part of my falsies like eyelashes case. Really it's just like some form of cardstock paper that I'm using rather than using paper, but you're more than welcome to use paper as well. Either way, it just helps me collect the fallout because there's always fallout when applying any sort of eyeshadow. Especially for me, I'm applying this after I've already applied my foundation, contour and all that jazz, and I don't want to mess up my face, you know what I mean. So yeah, definitely a lifesaver and quick tip. For the third step, this is quick and easy, but as I was applying the color Almond, either way, you're going to blend both colors together. So in this case, we're blending in Beach and Almond using the same small fluffy brush. For the next step, we're going to be applying this beautiful color that you see here. It's called Brick. We're using a small rounded fluffy brush as well. And basically we're going to be applying this all over the center part of the eyelid and almost to the inner corner, but just not quite there. Just don't let it touch. And basically because we're going to be applying another color there. Quick note here, no setting spray is needed. When I say that, I mean no setting spray needed on the brush to apply these colors because they apply beautifully on from the palette onto your eyelid with the brush. There's no need, there's no pigment lost, no coloration lost either. So you're good to go. You already know, as I said earlier, blend, blend, blend. Please blend this out with the other colors. For the next step, while we're still using this color Brick, I'm going to be applying this color onto the lower lash line. I am using the same brush, I think just out of ease of use. I have a few of the same brushes, but I mean like the same type of brush. You're more than welcome to use the same. If not, you want something a bit more concentrated, I would suggest a teeny tiny small flat brush and to use the tip of the brush as well. And basically I'm just applying this all over the lower lash line, leaving also a space in the inner corner because with the color that I apply in the inner corner, I want to apply both on the top and bottom. So on my lid and on the lower lash line. We're almost done. So for the final step, we're going to be applying this beautiful shimmery golden brown, not really brown, but more on the gold side color. It's called New York. And for this one, we are using a small flat brush, as I indicated before, obviously the flat side of the brush, and you're going to be applying this to the inner corner, dragging it out to blend in with the other colors, as well on the lower lash line as you see here. Final step, because the back part of your falsies case or whatever it is that you're using, cardstock paper may not catch all the fallout. I use a gentle, clean, fluffy brush. It's really known right there as a blush brush, just to wipe away any of the excess product that may have gotten onto the cheeks or onto my foundation. And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final look. I hope you guys loved it. It's a quick and easy fall inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. I will see you guys next time. Kisses. Bye.